Okay, people on Facebook. That is a ceiling fan that I made. Okay? And there's somebody I want to see this. I want my brother Timmy to see it. It's a homemade ceiling fan that I made. Look what I did. I cut up an old lid from a bowl for the blades. Zip tied the motor into a spice container I cleaned out. Screwed a hook into it. Screwed a hook on the ceiling to hang the fan up. Got a 12-volt motor inside there. That's what's zip tied onto the holder. This was a little container you put little glow stars that I bought. They were like $1 at Dollar Tree, and I just took the glow stars out of it and then screwed the blades onto that. And then like glued soldered that and screwed that onto the motor to hold that onto the spindle of the motor. And there's the power adapter, 12-volt power adapter from an old internet router. And let's power the fan on. I'm gonna plug it in. It'll take it a minute to start, but let's see it turn on. And here it'll go. Takes it like a... There it goes. And I can feel the air. Well, there you go. And here, let's do the spin down when we unplug it. Okay, so that was it. Unplug back in because I leave it on. It's always on. That was it for my homemade ceiling fan. Hoped you liked it.